As the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration moves forward, one thing becomes clear. Investing in the people behind restoration is more important than ever. That's what restoration education is all about, preparing the next generation to restore our world. Led by CIFOR-ICRAF and the Global Landscapes Forum, restoration education is developed in collaboration with universities and networks across Africa and Asia. Together, we're bringing restoration into the classroom, the curricula co-designed with students, educators, and practitioners. Restoration education is built on the 4 principles of transformative education: critical reflection, dialogue and co-learning, experiential learning, action-oriented and transdisciplinary learning. Unlike traditional education, transformative learning equips teachers, educators, and students with tools like collaboration, field visits, and place-based learning. It enables them to engage with real-world challenges and co-create solutions with local communities, making learning relevant, inclusive, and long-lasting.
The guiding principles of restoration is restoration needs to fit in a place. It needs to be contextualized. It needs to fit in the ecosystem. It needs to be carried and owned by the people. It needs to be institutionalized in the rules, regulations, behaviors, and practices of the place itself.
And it means also learning from the field, experiencing, going into the field and taking those lessons back to the classroom.
The modules are flexible, practical, and locally rooted, featuring case studies and fieldwork that bring learning to life. In Africa, 5 modules have reached more than 300 students and professionals across Ghana, Rwanda, Malawi, and Nigeria. And they are currently partnering with more universities to scale their efforts.
Many other cases that we're able to find and bring together have showed us relatable scenarios that restoration education is actually possible, it's achievable. The learning outcomes and the challenges that we observe in some of these cases become templates for us in future management of ecosystems.
And I think students now understand that restoration is not just about planting trees, but the community engagement, the stakeholder involvement, they all contribute to a successful restoration project.
The initiative is now expanding into Asia through the International Model Forest Network and the Higher Education Cooperation for Forest and Landscape Restoration and Sustainable Livelihoods in Bangladesh and Vietnam. In collaboration with 12 partner universities, a regionally grounded curriculum is taking shape across Bangladesh, India, Vietnam, Indonesia, Japan, and the Philippines.
Okay, so my vision for restoration education curriculum in Asia is that for every Asian country to embrace and champion the curriculum and to cultivate a new breed of restoration professionals who think in terms of landscapes and collaborate across borders.
I believe that restoration education empowers young generation, the future leaders, the future professionals to tackle the global challenges like climate change and biodiversity loss.
Yeah, restoration education curricula is a must for Asian countries to deal with the present socioeconomic and other factors because landscape is destroying day by day or converting in other uses day by day. As Asian and tropical countries, we are also losing our landscape.
Restoration education goes beyond knowledge. It empowers learners and strengthens educators to lead the way in restoring our landscapes. Learn more and explore the curriculum at academy.globallandscapesforum.org/restoration education.